Deirdre's kitchen, warm and bright, southern comfort, pure delight. From my mama, learned it true, cooking up a feast for me and you. Oh, the sweet taste of Sunday dinner love, recipes from heaven, sent from above. Mama's magic in every single bite, making everything just feel so right. Fresh baked biscuits,